Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel and to this video and to this workout and to this video and my vlog and to this video and to this vlog. Mag Tire! I will show you the way. Unsaon pagpahilis sa inyong mga kinaon my love. Simple lang. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell for notification. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Now, let's get started sa atong fat. 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 Let's get started sa atong exercise. Let's go. Oh, hindi. Ala, yeah, we took the wrong street, so we need to go there. Yeah. You know what, my love? This is buhis buhay talaga. Dahil naghahanap po kami ng a good spot for my shooting. Ganito talaga pala buhay, no? Yung buhay tao, 'di ba? Yung parang feel mo ang weather. So my love, huwag ka nang magtataka kung bakit ganito ako. Dahil ganyan ka din, di ba? So, kaya, iya raman tag-trip, my love. Trip ko ito, trip mo yan. Kaya, sabayan niyo po ako maghanap ng lugar kung saan ako lulugar sa kalukuhan ko. Ha? Hanapin natin yung tamang daan para sa daanan. Oy, wait sa my love, iwan ko kung, oh yes, nandito na kami. Parang dito lang po yung yung mga kalukuhan ko. So, walang 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 can I jump here? And where you gonna, and my heart is, oh, just around there. Oh, sige, the numbers. So, I don't know if this is the right way, because we're looking for a parking for the car park. And now he dropped me off here. So, oh my goodness, I'm gonna go. Oh God, my hair is very colorful. It's very colorful. My, um, yeah, I know. I'm wearing wig. And can
Tell me, don't be shy.
I need to get so I don't know. So I think oh, wait, there's a lot of people in here. Oh, over the square. There's a lot of people here, and I don't know if I can do this.
We'll do it later.
No, I want to do it now while I'm not eating yet. Because if yeah, over just park over here. I my love, I'm not really baga face, my love. Oy. Over here na lang. I'm not really baga face, my love. You know, even though my face is look like really baga, but but they're looking at me, my love. So you know what, my love? Confident lang lagi tayo. Magpabaga lang tagnang, my love. Ha? O, dili, wala na yung problema na, my love, nga, wala, my love. So, I'm looking for a very good spot, my love. I'm looking for a very good spot, my love. So, over here. Malaki hari ay. Nakita ko progress pa rin. Spati na. Wala. Ato ko ito pa gusto na. Alagyo dito rin. Asa na napita ka lang. Alright. Ari. Let's do this. Hindi ako tatong nagpagad na akong may love. Nagsuri-suri ko dito sa sa kadalanan. O kaya, utong tupok. Wala ka tagbalik. I'm done.